How to delete a group chat in Messenger. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to delete a group chat from Messenger, what you're simply going to do is first open the app Messenger on your device, then search for a group you want to delete. After you found the group you want to delete, what you're simply going to do is long press on the group, and then you'll be presented with various options like pin, archive, add members, and many more. So if you go to the second option, archive, then the group will be hidden from you, and then it will only come back to your homepage of Messenger if a message is sent in that group. And then in the second last option you can see leave chat. If you click on it, you will leave the group. Then you cannot see any messages that are done in the group, or you can simply delete the group. The group will be deleted from your home page, and then the people inside the group won't also know it. So click on delete and then delete. Now your chat has been deleted. So this is how you can delete a group chat on Messenger. So thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.